Dragon Deluxe Crystal Puzzle from BePuzzled in-depth reviews. This product has 4.6 stars based on 2,842 ratings and 224 reviews. 89% of customers have overall ratings of 4 or 5 stars, while ratings of 1 or 2 stars accounting for 5% of all reviewers. Let's look at a recent positive review. It said wonderful challenge and beautiful finished product. This was not easy to assemble, but that is why it was so wonderful. When finished, it was very beautiful, and the child had a great sense of satisfaction. Is there anything the product needs to be improved on? Let's take a look at a critical review. Looks cool, but is very fragile during the build process. I bought this for my 7-year-old son for his birthday. He had a previous 3D puzzle made by this company, and it proved to be a fun challenge for him. He loves building Legos, but most Lego sets have become fairly easy for him. I thought another one of these 3D puzzles would be a nice activity for him, but this one is too fragile. There are multiple pieces that get put together with other pieces that have very small and flimsy parts that hold them together. My son was trying to put it together, and both wings broke off. I glued them back together using Gorilla Glue, but they broke again along with one of the hands breaking off. At this point, after 3 or 4 tiny pieces breaking off, I have determined that this one is not going to get put together. I shouldn't have to fix pieces this many times. I would suggest getting a different model made by this company if you want a 3D puzzle to build. That's it.
Original 3D Crystal Puzzles from BePuzzled. Our original 3D crystal puzzles feature uniquely shaped, interlocking, translucent crystalline pieces that give puzzling a whole new dimension. Our sleek designs are challenging and enjoyable to work on and fun to display. With over 60 colorful designs, choose a favorite object or collect them all. Original 3D crystal puzzles. Only from BePuzzled. What will you build?